3, 4, get my shoes and out the door. 5, I'm alive. 6, 7, 8, feeling great. 9, gonna shine, life is good. I'm doing fine. 10, gonna do it right and do it again, yeah. I look into the sky with all its beautiful color, but there's more than just for me, so gonna share it with another. I got to show, to give, let out. I want to sing and shout. Take a look and see a beautiful morning that turns into a beautiful evening, and together make a beautiful life. And if you
Hey guys, and welcome to today's vlog. It is Thursday morning and we have an ultrasound, non-stress test, and maybe a regular appointment today. I don't really know. We'll find out.
If we're going there, they're gonna do stuff.
They're gonna
and
do
hopefully
stuff.
make a baby happen.
Yes. Well,
Or at least tell us that there's gonna be a baby happening soon.
A healthy baby.
Yes.
Yes. We just want to know the healthiness. So we are gonna head that way. Both the moms are here. They're out in the car waiting and it's only 8 o'clock and the appointment's not till 9. So I don't know. Guess they want to get there half an hour early. I don't really know. But yeah. So we'll maybe see you guys at the ultrasound.
So the head is right in the middle there, right down in the middle. We'll just see if we can peek at that little face from the side here. Okay, a couple little hands, it looks like, right up there by that face.
Saw me going like that. That is amazing.
Those hands are right close to the little nose and mouth there. Looking good, looking comfortable in there, certainly. No question about that, right?
Look at you all dressed up and nowhere to go.
What counts as movement?
I don't know. Jessica has this one on her lower belly, which is measuring the heartbeat. And then this one up here is like tracking movement, right?
Yep.
And then you've got to push the button every time you feel her move.
Sometimes it's hard to tell. It's not really moving.
I'm gonna get you a sugary drink.
Maybe.
Pixie sticks.
I don't feel it. She's sleeping.
Heartbeat's going.
So guys, we're back from all of our appointments. Hope you enjoyed those clips. And Derek has actually brought home a nice feast. And these two stopped by and decided to give this guy gifts for some reason.
This old man
Yep. If you guys didn't know, Derek's birthday is tomorrow.
is gonna be old.
And I'm hoping it's going to be his daughter's birthday tomorrow.
Should
If
I
not
open
tonight.
one before the others?
No.
Okay, I can just open whatever. You guys. You and Jessica. Oh!
Just open it.
Ooh!
Ooh, that's a good gift.
Cause I'm the oogie boogie man.
You saw that the other night.
Ooh, it makes noise too. I bet he says exactly
Ooh.
what I just said. This
We
may
don't
be the
know.
last time You hear the boogie song.
We just watched it.
Whoa.
Whoa. Alright, let's
Wow.
Guys, Jessica told you to do this on purpose. She was like, make it so that he has to destroy the paper. Oh,
Just do it.
no! I will fight to the end.
I have some more at home if you really want.
Ooh. Maze Runner the Scorch Trials.
There you go.
Awesome. Thank
It's like
you.
a book inside.
Oh,
Nice.
cool.
Got like a little production diary thing.
What was it? It was.
It's got like some pictures and stuff in
It's
there.
got a pretty cool comic book.
Cool.
Ooh. Cool beans.
This was a good movie.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it was.
Alright guys, so based on Jessica's recent appointments, we decided we wanted to try and like keep track of her blood pressure. So I borrowed a digital blood pressure monitor from work, and we're gonna see if we can actually do this right. I've tried it on myself twice before we tried it on Jessica, so now we're gonna see if we can get a consistent reading from some of the numbers, at least close to what she's had recently. Here, do you want to do it, or do you want me to do it?
You can do it.
Okay.
What were you supposed to go up to? Does it say when to stop?
Doesn't say when to stop. Just have to go above whatever.
Okay, that's pretty tight.
And then you get the heart thing, which means it's reading.
Oh, hallelujah, I can feel my arm again.
Can it be?
I don't think it does any beeping.
I should have it.
Yep.
What does it say?
It says 126/77.
Seems good. Maybe it's low then.
Yeah.
Maybe it's reading a little low.
Yep.
How's it work?
That's great.
You guys, look at what he's got in there right now. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, I put that in there.
It's my passenger. Practice safe maneuvering. The dogs were not interested in getting a stroller ride, so we used what we had available to us.
You look pretty good with a girly stroller.
Thanks. Hey baby, you okay? Okay, good. On our way.
Are you ready to be a daddy?
I'm very ready to be a daddy. I was trying to think of a good dad joke, but I can't. Ready to see how it folds up?
Let me get a full shot of you
Okay,
here.
step one is you gotta take the baby out.
That's a good step.
You don't grab the baby by the head. Pro tip.
Pro tip number
This
one.
is just a demonstration. It's not a real baby. Normally, do not leave your baby unattended on a countertop either.
Step number
Pro tip
two.
Number two.
Pro step number two.
And we're going to go over and up. And then boom.
Look at that. Professional. And the safety lock.
Safety lock. That's not going to come apart.
Bam.
This.
Wow.
And then when you're ready to go, just unsnap it. Push your wheels forward.
Bam. Professional. Oh my. What about the canopy? There you go. Just like that. Oh, there's a little, that little owl part is not sticking out. There you go. Cute. What is,
I think she wants to go out. Wanted to since I got home, but I just haven't done it
oh,
for her
I
yet.
didn't know that.
Alright guys, so we are going to wrap up the vlog for today. We took Jessica's blood pressure again and it still looked pretty good as far as that machine was
The
going.
machine is correct.
Yeah. I think it's, I don't know if it's as accurate as like someone taking it at the hospital, but I think it's close enough to give us an idea.
I'm gonna turn the lights up.
You don't want to get up and do that though.
I can do it.
You sure, babe?
Yep.
You must be exhausted.
I'm so tired. I am actually quite tired.
Yes. It's been a busy day for a over 40-week pregnant lady.
Yeah,
So.
I just feel super tired. But I've also been having Braxton Hicks all day. I just won't get any stronger. Maybe tonight.
Maybe tonight.
I typically have been getting. If anything has happened, it's been at night. So.
Yeah. So, but we're gonna call it quits for this stuff for today. But thanks for watching, guys. We'll be back tomorrow as always with another video. But until then, bye guys.
Bye, guys.
Beautiful morning that turns into a beautiful evening, and together make a beautiful life. And if you wanna see, then come along with me, that's right. And if you want a good tomorrow, it's pretty simple, gotta find a light to follow. And if you do, you have a future real bright. And it's a combination of consistency. Come on and say, oh.